Okay, so we're out hitting the road here again in Porto, and you can see we're heading downhill, which is great. You don't get the muscle action in the legs, but you can see we're heading down to the Douro River, and we're going down to, what is it, the palace? The Palace of Bolsa. Palace of Bolsa, and see. And here we are. Isn't that it right there? That's it. And they're doing all the work on the side. Hold up for a minute.
Wow, look at how cool that place is.
And here's the park of Palacio de Bolsa.
Palace.
Okay.
People relaxing on the lawn.
Yeah, I apologize for butchering up the names sometimes. That's my fault.
You know.
There's a El Dago. El Dago.
The famous Enrique Infante. Again.
This man did a lot. He was very influential in Portuguese history. Obviously, we're not experts. We don't claim to be experts, so criticize away. You got to be very careful in walking around the old world cities. If you have mobility issues, this is really not real good for you. Hang on, hang on. Okay, we're in the square here. We're in the square of Palacio de Bolsa, and the next mandatory, you have to take a mandatory tour for English, and that's in about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. The date on is 1834. Just give you a little shot around the square here. Beautiful day. Now, we're expecting some rain tomorrow.
Turn left onto
So.
Rua de Ferreira Borges.
Where is Liz? It's like, again, looking for Waldo. Where is Liz? What? There's Liz taking a nap. She's taking a nap right out here in the sun outside the palace. She's taking a nap. Why is she always on camera and never filming? Good question from our viewers. She thinks she's a superstar, and I'm always behind the camera. Ah! All right, Liz we'll chill out, and then we're gonna go in for the tour. Bye-bye.
What you doing? Resting?
Taking a little rest before we go into the palace. Hey, policia.
Bomberos, fire.
Okay, we're inside now. The Palacio del Bolsa. And we're gonna have a guided tour. Comes with your ticket in English. So we're gonna learn a lot. I'm just swinging around here so you can see what's going on here. The closest thing that I can remember to a building like this is actually the old post office building in DC. Obviously not of the same age or generation, but that looked similar until the Trump Foundation took it over, turned it into a hotel. It had historic presence and still does. So if you're in DC, you might want to go by there and actually see that.
So, are you tired already?
No.
To build all of this palace, we took 68 years. 40 of those years were just right. So, this is called the Golden School. When Mary II, the Queen, those years, realized the palace
commerce, and it included these member countries from all over the world, including right there, the American Eagle, the United States, and it goes all the way around with different countries. And this was the original stock exchange in Portugal, and after that it turned into commerce. And now the stock exchange has moved to the capital city of Lisbon. So that's it for our tour here, and we'll be exiting the building. Very, very nice, very, very informative. Okay, we're down here now along the Douro River. It's absolutely beautiful out here today. You can see the Douro River that goes to the famous Douro Valley where port wine is produced. And they have a number of different boats and ships that will take you on a different variety of rides. They have a skyline. I'll let it tell they have like a castle structure up on the point. And then they have the walkable bridge. I'll just let it tell its own story here, and we'll kind of put this together. There goes the subway, tram, or whatever it is across the bridge, across the Douro River
And I can see the
to
little
the other
baskets,
side.
right?
You can see the little skyline baskets, I
And this is
think.
the Marie Bridge,
Yeah,
right?
Marie Bridge.
One of the presidents, was it? Or the king's wife.
Here comes one of the many tourist boats that you can ride up and down the Douro River. One there. Here comes another one right in front of us.
They take you up and down the bridges
Yeah.
to the Douro River.
Comes one right here coming inbound.
The little Venice.
Porto Cruz.
The little Venice of Portugal.
Okay, it is almost sundown on the Douro River. And we are now on the opposite side of the river. We walked across it having a beverage and a nosh. We came across the lower bridge here, as you can see. You can also come across the upper bridge. See the upper bridge? You can come across that one. And it is just a beautiful sight here.
Words cannot describe this place. There isn't any. This is Porto at sunset. Trying to capture, we're on the other side of the river. We were to the left of that bridge this morning, now we're to the right, which I already mentioned. It's the port side where all the port places are, and they also have great little restaurants, cafes. I just went in a fabulous House of Cans, which is the House of Sardines.
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Zoom out, you'll eliminate the
Okay.
people. We'll go over here.
Here, last walk. of the Douro River for tonight.